plug. Cubby hole. Raising jack. Generator. Self-leveling jacks with a button. In case the self-leveling doesn't work. Water compartment. Pass through. Tankless hot water heater been installed at the McLean's in Fort Worth or Burleson or whatever that place is right now. I guess it's Burleson. The outside tires, power port, fueling station there. Oh, I guess I better get the key for that. The ladder has 300-pound weight limit, and on the roof there's the back porch. Big side view. Some say that there's like a step you can get to go back here. We don't have that step. You can see there's a place for the camera hookup up there in the middle by the orange thing, the orange reflector. This ramp does go down if you were loading a vehicle. Side view. Never mind my dog, she's not part of the deal. Washer dryer hookup, TV. Toilet. Rain sand ceiling fan. Sofas, water to get on that top bunk up there. These sofas also make into a bed down here, storage up there. This neat little thing here, which I never have opened. Anyways, this it's supposed to open. I don't know how to make it open clearly, but this is supposed to drop down to be a, there it goes. A rack for your clothes to hang on. The patio system has a screen and it has these doors, and then these doors also have a Velcro, oh, super strong Velcro screen protector. Oh, there we go. That you can take off for if you wanted to have this removed. The deck. Looking back in. We have a desk in here that it's just my husband and I, so that was plenty of room for us to eat. Bunk up top. It's pretty big. There's some ports there for plugging in, and it's got a heater unit back here. Oh, I guess we could turn that off. They also have heat strips on the tanks. decent lighting. Big refrigerator and microwave. The stove has 3 burners. I like the extra space around the stove. There's some oven. This refrigerator's pretty big. Use this to secure it when you're traveling right here. Freezer with ice maker. Drawers. Sink. More cabinets. And more cabinets. Cabinets above the microwave and refrigerator. Has the rain sense fan in here, like in the restroom. Nice pretty lights. Skylight above. Cabinets.